Hello guys, welcome back to Registerkaro, and today we'll talk about how to start a courier business in India. Step by step, practical and ready for action. This video will map everything: models, costs, licenses, operations, tech and growth. So let's get started. So step 1, pick your courier business model. First decide what you will offer because your model shapes costs, licenses and operations. You can go for local courier, e-commerce, on-demand parcels, and other specialized services. Next, write a strong business plan. Include executive summary, target customers, USP, services, fleet plan, tech stack, marketing, and a 3-year financials. Step 3, market analysis. Research local demand, competitor services, peak seasons, and target niches. Identify pain points competitors have because these are your opportunity. Next step, services you will offer. Core services can include same day, express courier, overnight, or standard courier. And value add-ons, real-time tracking, digital POD, cash on delivery handling, reserve logistics, packaging insurance, and temperature control. Next, and very important, technology stack. Your must-have tech includes delivery management system, GPS tracking and drivers app, SMS or WhatsApp notifications for your customers. Now the pricing and revenue. Pricing factors must include distance, weight, size, urgency, COD handling, and reverse logistics. Revenue channels may include per delivery charges, subscription contracts with e-commerce sellers, COD handling fees, B2B contracts, and reverse logistics fees. Now the timeline summary. The estimated timelines is given on your screens. Like it can take around 2 to 3 months to start your courier business. So starting a courier business in India is practical and profitable if you plan well. So click the link in the description or visit registerkaro.in to get started today. Also don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.